Hello, my fellow Aldi addicts. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I'm back at Aldi, and I'm going to go get my week of groceries. It's Monday morning. I'm hoping to get some red sticker goodness, find some fun things for the week. So let's get into the store, see what I find, and don't forget, at the end, I'll be sharing with you my weekly meal plan. Every week when I ask my kids if they have anything to add, my daughter wants me to get this, and I always say no. But today, I'm going to get it for her. Hopefully, she doesn't really love it, so she doesn't want me to get it all the time. $4.99. I'm getting a loaf of white bread, $1.29. My son was so sad yesterday when he couldn't have toast for breakfast as part of his breakfast. And $1.29 for hamburger buns, Roman burgers this week. I am going to get 3 mangoes. My kids have been really enjoying these. 89 cents a piece. I need cilantro for tacos. I'm making shredded beef in the crock pot and we're having it 2 nights for dinner. 85 cents. And 85 cents for green onions. I'm also going to get mandarin oranges. It's a very simple addition. We haven't bought them in a while. $2.99. I have really enjoyed these egg rolls in the past, and my vegetarian wants to make fried rice for dinner this week, so I'm going to get these to supplement with that. $3.49. I air fry them, and we really like them. I'm going to get 2 dozen eggs. We completely ran out. I give my dog an egg every day, and we just need eggs, so $1.02 a piece seems like a steal. $2.65 for 2% milk. Just running low. We are going to have, we're having a breakfast for dinner. I'm going to get the calcium vitamin D orange juice, $3.19. I really want the one with mango, but I'm the only one in my family that really loves that. But it's so good. My teen's request was for me to get these hot barbecue chips. $2.19. I'm using potatoes in a number of meals, so I'm going to get the 10-pound bag, $4.99. I'm getting tomato sauce to make Spanish rice, 43 cents. I'm going to get the mini avocados for $2.89. I love these. I ran out of yellow onions, so I just need more, $2.15. I need some jalapenos. Ooh, I like the red guy, 69 cents per package. We're gonna take him home. We have quite a bit of peanut butter from last week still, but I'm making peanut butter Reese's cookies, and just to make sure I don't run out, I'm getting more peanut butter. $3.89. Another request, of course, from the children. Pop-Tarts, brown sugar, cinnamon, the Millville version, $1.92. Wow, the energy shots are even lower. They're 89 cents. I'm gonna get 5 of them for my husband. Tempted by this tabletop gas griddle. I see all the people that use Blackstones and make the fun videos. I want to make those. I want to eat that food. It's on sale for $69. Does anyone have one? Okay, these cooling towels, my daughter paid like $18 for one at Disney using her money. So I think I'm actually going to get a couple packs of these for us to take to Disney next month. You dip them in water. They feel nice in the park. Help you to stay cool. We're going in August, so I think we might need them. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love the plush throws. Really pretty colors. Love the pattern. They're only $7.99. Lots of storage items. Solo cups apparently. Hampers. I'm guessing this is like back to school type things. Oh, I think these are pretty nice. That's 2 of them, but prop your smartphone or a cookbook, only $3.99. More organization stuff. Little cubes, only $3.99. Lamps. This is cute, pillow pets. Birthday cards. Lots of fun things. I like seeing the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle stuff out. My brother was really into this stuff when I was younger, so I liked it too. And with the new movie coming out, very nostalgic. Okay, instead of Reese's, I'm getting these milk chocolate peanut butter cups for my cookies, $3.99. I'm putting them in the cookie and on top. Okay, my waters are, I see at least 3 of them, so I'm gonna grab all those and I'm gonna check this bag box. Nope, none. Okay, so 3 at 89 cents a piece. Paprika, 99 cents, just running low. More of the larger tortillas for lunches. My kids make lots of things with tortillas. $1.95. $1.95 for corn tortillas for our tacos. Beef broth for the shredded beef tacos, $1.29. $2.19 for flour. Doing baking. I'm making noodles for a soup and baking this week. I need bacon for breakfast and for my soup, $3.99. Okay, for my tacos, I need roast. And this one is $10.84, 1.81 pounds. It is priced at $5.99 a pound. Okay, so I get 4 beef patties, $7.09. It's $5.29 a pound. They're seasoned. They look pretty good. $4.19 for breakfast blend coffee. I go between both of those, like them both. I thought about getting these for our potatoes for our breakfast dinner, but I'm just gonna make potatoes. I'm sure my family will like them, but they just seem expensive. Spiral curly fries, yummy. Air fryer chicken patties. Philly cheesesteak seasoned beef patties, those look good to me, but I'm the only one in my family that would probably like them. Chicken, popcorn shrimp, vegetable pot stickers, yum. Those are $5.69. Veal patties, which you guys have humbled me and taught me is baby cow, not baby lamb like I thought. Breakfast bowls, chicken. Ooh, falafel. Alright, the falafel is $3.99. I'm gonna get that. I bought this in the past and really loved it, so I'm gonna keep it in the freezer for the next time we have shawarmas, $3.99. Okay, so we keep things simple and use this for fried rice often. Gets everything in there, 87 cents. And then we also cut it with rice cauliflower, so it's half actual rice, half this, and my family doesn't even understand the difference, $1.99. I haven't tried this from last week yet, but we did open these and they're really yummy. Okay, as promised, I came back for this week, $1.89. They still have both, but not as much. I thought these are really interesting. Lemon meringue wafers, I bet those are good. Passion fruit, cran, raspberry. And this is the one I wanted to get to try, the rhubarb crumble. $2.49, I'm gonna get this as well. Okay, so this is my cart. Any guess on the total? Okay, I spent $113.15. Now I have a few things to get from Walmart. Okay, so here's my Walmart haul. I got 2 things of toilet paper. I get asked anytime I share that I buy toilet paper from somewhere else if I dislike Aldi's. Honestly, I just have never bought it there. I feel like this is a good value, so I bought 2 of them. We have 4 bathrooms, and when we run out, I have 4 to replace, so I need to buy a lot at a time. Green tea, my daughter makes iced tea at home. She uses it like 3 or 4 bags, makes a concentrate, and then dilutes it with ice water. So she asked me to get green tea. I don't know if Aldi sells it, but I just added it to my pickup because I knew I could get it at Walmart. Caraway seed, can't get it at Aldi. I use this in my cabbage and noodle soup. And then the chipotles, I am making the shredded beef, and I need the chipotles among other things, and I can't get these at my Aldi. Same with popcorn. We don't have like a actual need for this, but we make popcorn on the stove and we're out of kernels. Can't buy them at Aldi. So when I do Walmart pickups, I try to get things I can't get at Aldi. The quesadilla cheese is literally the best for quesadillas or the pan-fried burrito style tacos. So I got that for our tacos this week. And again, we're having that for 2 nights this week. So I needed lots of cheese. And then I'm making a crumble cookie copycat of Reese's peanut butter cup cookies. I've made them in the past and we really like them. I'm taking them to the family dinner and I need peanut butter chips to make the icing on top. Essentially, you just melt these and pour them on top. And then you use crumbled Reese's in the cookie and on top of the melted peanut butter chips. So this is my haul from Walmart. all of the prices popped up on the screen, and my grand total was... So now on to the meal plan. Cabbage and noodle soup. I got a cabbage and a food delivery from Imperfect Foods, and I haven't used it yet, and cabbage and noodle is literally our favorite way to have cabbage. So I'm gonna make that. I use caraway seed, bacon, homemade noodles, and cabbage. It's very simple, but it's really yummy. Not necessarily a summer type meal, but we will still enjoy it. I'm gonna make the shredded beef birria style tacos with rice, and I also have, the last time I made refried beans, I froze them in portions, so I'm gonna thaw some out. My teenager said she wanted to make fried rice this week, and I bought chicken egg rolls to go for anyone else that wants those on the side. I just air fry them, very simple. I'm looking forward to the entire meal. Blueberry pancakes. I make these in a sheet pan. It's actually a Pioneer Woman Ree Drummond recipe from her cookbook. I really like those. I'll cut them up, and then I'm gonna make breakfast potatoes. We are going to my in-laws for family dinner. That's where I'm taking the Reese's cookies. And then finally, we're also gonna grill burgers, and I'm gonna make homemade potato wedges. You can see it in action. You can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.